Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Aries Crochet and welcome to another video of crochet craft ideas and designs. If you enjoy this video, give this video a like. Organizing your kitchen took a lot of time and effort to look it more neat and clean. Today in this video I will show you some beautiful crochet hanging basket ideas for your kitchen. You can use these baskets for putting fruits and vegetables so that it helps you organizing your kitchen. Besides using these baskets for putting fruits and vegetables, you can also use these baskets for putting kitchen utensils like spoon, fork, knife and scissors, etc. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned to my channel for more crochet ideas. Thanks for watching.